At Edible Alaska, we're passionate about no-waste cooking.
Today we're going to show you how to make a quick tomato soup featuring Alaska spot prawns, but first we're going to walk you through how to make a stock using the shells from those prawns.
So tell me about these ones that we have today.
Today we're going to be using Alaska spot prawns that we bought from the Alaska Marine Conservation Council's Catch 49 program. Catch 49 is a community-supported fishery that the Alaska Marine Conservation Council set up to help local fishermen get their products in front of Alaskan seafood lovers. You always want to save those shells so you can make a really quick and delicious stock from them.
Yeah, what I really like to do is I will save my shells, put them in a Ziploc bag, and stick them in the freezer so that way I have a back stock ready for whenever I'm going to make my stock the next time.
We're going to start by heating up our pot on a medium-high heat, and then we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil. Add the shrimp shells. We've got about 2 cups of shells here from about a pound of Alaskan shrimp. Then we're going to go ahead and add our mirepoix. That's our combination carrots, celery, and onion, kind of rough chopped up. Add some aromatics, parsley, fresh thyme, and dill. We'll go ahead and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I don't put too much salt in the beginning, just because as the stock cooks, it's going to reduce a little bit, and that's going to concentrate the flavors. So a little salt to start off, then at the end you'll give it a taste and add more salt if you need to. We're going to add our water and then just let the stock go ahead and simmer. And then after about 15 minutes simmering away, we'll go ahead and strain the stock out, give it a taste, add salt if we need to, and then it's ready to use.
So now we're going to make the soup. How do we start?
We are going to start by heating some olive oil over a medium-high heat. Add the onions and celery. And then once the onions and celery have started to soften up a bit, we're going to go ahead and pour our fresh chopped tomatoes in there. Then we're going to add some tomato paste. That's really going to help boost that tomato flavor. Fresh basil.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing.
And then we're going to add our shrimp stock. Season with a little salt and pepper. Once we've let the soup simmer away and all our vegetables are soft, flavors are all melded together, we're going to bring in our hand blender to puree it. But if you don't have a hand blender, you can also do this in a stand-up blender. Then once you have everything blended together, you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp. We're going to cook them right in the soup. It's going to happen really fast, just 3 to 4 minutes simmering away. And we're going to finish with some heavy cream just to add a nice velvety texture.
Yum. And then what are we going to garnish with here?
We're going to garnish with fresh basil. And then you've got it, a nice creamy summertime fresh tomato soup with Alaska spot prawns. In the spirit of harvesting Alaska, we encourage you to use every part of your food, whether it's fish, shrimp, or vegetables.
Head to edibleak.com for recipes.